want to especially thank our CEO and all part of the management of Pine River State for the fine opportunity granted to Pine River State Ambassador and the Director of Pine River State Philippines to get the necessary information that will deepen their knowledge on the system, which is the Pine Leaf education system. It is a privilege indeed to work with these great minds and also to work with our powerful CEO who has saw it fit that each and every one gets the necessary knowledge that will help them to navigate the real estate industry. Pine River Estate is redefining real estate, and that is why all the necessary information that one requires to navigate the system is dispensed in Pine Leaf Realtors Academy. So we're happy, and I have these powerful ambassadors who want to say one or two things of what they've seen.
Okay, especially I want to thank the CEO of Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited in the person of the International Archbishop Dr. Onyeka Nzekwesi. I want to especially thank you for this rare opportunity to be trained as a realtor. We are not just an ambassador of this great company, we're also being trained as realtors too, so in order to have deeper knowledge of the markets and also the system. And also especially thank the CMO. He's a great guy. I mean, he's like, he has transformed us into a computer. He's loading down that data, hard files, but he has made it simple for us to understand the system and how to operate. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I am Onyeka Chukwu Samuel Osaje, aka Pastor Power. Can call me MC Babuaya. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so excited. Thank you very much, CMO.
Thank you very much. My name is Chief Gozie Igbo, an ambassador, Pine Leaf Estates and Properties. It's a great opportunity today. Something very wonderful happened in my life. Let me use just a word for what I experienced. This is our first day, but already I'm receiving transformations. So I appreciate this initiation. I want to thank our CEO. I want to appreciate him so much. There's nothing like when a man stands, he wants to pull others to stand with him. God will continue to bless you. I'm my great lecturer here, the Chief Marketing Officer, CMO. I'm so grateful. I'm wonderfully grateful for.
It's a pleasure.
God is using you. And if the starting is like this, I can tell you how the rounding up will be. So we are so grateful. And I want to let everybody watching us that we know that knowledge is power. We are coming out greater and stronger. And then I assure you that you will never regret being part of Pine Leaf. Makanoja na abronye Pine Leaf.
So now I'm beginning to understand that language as the deeper the foundation, the taller the building. So I want to appreciate the CEO, Dr. Onyeka Nzekwesi, and the CMO. What made me to travel from the Philippines, 18 hours on air and 4 hours layover to Nigeria? One, about the launching of the Philippines estate, and most importantly, the Archbishop said, come down, you learn this and you go back. People there will be wondering why I'm here. Now I understand. Thank you so much. It was pure drilling. Pure drilling. I wonder the last time I was in the class, even when I was doing my master's, for hours like this, and I didn't notice it. Thank you so much. I think this is the best word this company is around. So we are coming out with something. We won't be stingy with the knowledge. We will release it. For those people in Asia, Philippines, Thailand, Singapore, I'm coming. Don't bother yourself. I am coming. Don't bother. Don't bother. Don't bother yourself. Thank you so much.
Pine Leaf Estate. We are number sleep, go shake it. Anywhere in Nigeria, the most safest, the most honest,